Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 ways to start with affiliate marketing. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 ways to start with affiliate marketing. And you don't need to be an expert if you really want to start making money online. Okay, so by the way, let me tell you something. Okay, just in case that you don't know what is affiliate marketing, maybe you have an idea but you are not 100% sure what is it. Okay, it's whenever you refer a product or service to a person and you're going to be making a commission. Okay, let's say that you watch a movie during the weekend and you really enjoyed that movie, or you went to a restaurant and you really enjoy your time there. It was great, the food was amazing, and you just talk with your brother, your cousin, a friend, a co-worker, and you refer that person to that place. Right now you are not making any money, but there are other products and services, it can be online, and that they can give you some percentage if you really want. They're going to give you a commission every single time you refer someone and that person make a purchase. Okay, so that is affiliate marketing. You are like the middleman. Okay, you enjoy certain kind of products or services, and that's the reason why you are referring those products or services to these other people. Okay, so they're gonna pay you based on the commission. Sometimes it can be 100%, it can be 30%, it can be recurring commissions, it can be a one-time commission. They can pay you like every 15 days, they can pay you every 30 days. Every single company is different, every single affiliate program is different as well, but that's the essence of affiliate marketing. Okay, you're going to refer someone a product or service that you enjoy, that you use, that you test, to someone who needs it. Okay, so the product or service that you're going to be promoting needs to solve a problem. The top 3 niches, just in case that you don't know, are relationship, health, and wealth. Okay, why? Because the products that are in these industries are problem solvers. Okay, they solve a problem. Okay, maybe someone want to get back with the ex, maybe someone it's a little bit fat and they want to be in shape. There is someone there who wants to have extra money in their pocket. So these are the top affiliates. Okay, the top affiliate industries. So if you are not sure about like what's the product that you're going to be promoting and you want to know my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. That's going to be my #1 recommendation to make money online, just in case that you're trying to find out what to promote, how to promote it, but you are not sure, like, okay, this is the product that I want to go with, this is an actual winner. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. Please check it out. And well, the very first way to start with affiliate marketing is, as you are right now, well, you're actually watching my YouTube channel. Why it's one of my favorite ways to promote affiliate products is because it's easier to connect with people. Okay, again, you don't need to be a guru. Okay, there is something really easy that you can do. You can learn something, you can apply it, and then you can teach it. In order to have a YouTube channel, that's 100% free. The only thing that you need to have is a computer, right? Or you can use your cell phone, you can record yourself. You need to have good content, but hey, that's going to be depending, it's going to be depending up to you. For example, this one, it's a really simple PowerPoint, that's it. I do have other videos in which I record I captured my screen, I'm teaching something, telling people something, or there is going to be a time that I'm going to be recording myself, right? It's going to be just me and a background, and that's it. So you're going to have your own style, And the other thing is that you need to understand that people connect with people. And this is the easiest way to connect with people. It's like having a conversation, or it's like being with someone in a room and explaining that person the concept. Like me right now, I'm explaining you the concept. Okay, so people are gonna connect with you because they like the way you explain it, they like your tone of voice, they like how smooth or how fast you talk whenever you explain something. So there are going to be people who are going to be connecting with you, and there are going to be people who are going to be connecting with me. They are really big YouTube channels in which you can see the actual face of the creator, and there are another YouTube channels in which you have never seen that person, you only listen to the voice, and they're pretty big. Okay, so if you don't feel comfortable to be in front of camera, there is no excuse. And if you want to start, doing affiliate marketing, YouTube channel, it's great because it's what it's called attraction marketing. Okay, the other thing is that YouTube is the second largest or biggest search engine, so that means that people are looking for a solution, they're watching a video, and if I say like, hey, click out or check out the link in the description, the same way I did it before, the person who's going to be visiting your YouTube channel is going to be check it out. Hey, I want to know what's that link. If I click it, where it's going to land. Okay, if you don't have the call to action in your videos, people aren't going to know. Okay, a lot of people are not going to check your description, or if you have a pinned comment, they're not going to check it as well. You need to understand that you are going to be an expert. You might be like, well, I don't consider myself an expert. You are already an expert. So people are going to be commenting on your YouTube channel. They're going to be asking you questions. And that's how you're going to be, having the social part of YouTube. Okay? Having the social part of YouTube, because you're going to be creating a community that they're going to be there subscribing to the channel, waiting for your message every single day, connecting with you, and sooner rather than later they are going to purchase the product that you recommend, because they know like, hey, whenever you mention something, it is valuable. Okay, so that's my number one recommendation is YouTube. Then we can go with blogging. Yes, you can have a blog right now. If you ask me like, okay, Diana, should I go with a blog post? Should I go with a WordPress one? I can tell you that you should go with a WordPress. It's way better, it's way professional. You can own the domain rather than a blog post. They do have tons of plugins, templates. Yeah, at the beginning you are gonna be paying, well, depending on your hosting company, maybe $6. Sometimes they are asking for people to pay $100 per year, so it's a really easy way to get your money back. And your blog posts are going to be ranking depending on several keywords, right? The other thing is that if you're doing YouTube, you can hire someone on Fiverr and ask that person like, okay, I want you to transcribe the content on this video, so it's going to be on my blog post on my blog. It's going to be a blog post on my blog, and people are going to do that. It's pretty affordable. By the way, if you don't feel like it, like being in front of camera, you can do blogging. Okay, there are a lot of people who enjoy reading. There are a lot of people who enjoy watching videos. Okay, so anyways, if you write a great article, a review, if you are answering a question, right, by blogging, you just need to put your links. Okay, rather than put them on the description, it can be interlinks on the content. And if people decide like, hey, you know what, I really want to take the next step, I'm gonna click on the link because I want to know what he or she is offering me. Okay, the third one is Instagram. Instagram is really hot right now, but you need to use it wisely. Why? Because you can only put one link on the bio and that's it. You don't have other options. Okay, my suggestion, and this is how I'm growing my Instagram account, it needs to be on a niche related. Okay, you can be the main character on your Instagram account, meaning that you are like the quote-unquote the store, or it can be niche related. Let's say that you love training dogs and you're gonna have an Instagram account related to that niche. Of course, the profile picture is not gonna be you because you are not related, you know, to that industry. You are the trainer, yes, but let's face it, you are not a celebrity yet. So chances are that you're gonna be, you know, recording short videos, putting images whenever you are training the dogs or doing the tricks, and you have this other product that it's related, you know, to that industry, and you put the link on the description. So every single time you type in the description about the Instagram post that you upload, you need to refer to the link in the bio. You need to ask them, like, if you want to know more information about this, if you want to know what's next, click the link in the bio. Okay, so they can know that they are gonna have all the information there. In my case, what I do is I'm using a platform that it's called Builderall. If you want to check it out, you want to know what's the bonuses that I'm offering, and if you want to try it for 7 days for free, I'm going to leave a link below. And I have a template that I created myself. That's one of the bonuses that I give people, so people can actually can add more than one link to their Instagram account. Okay, another recommendation that I can give you, if you really want to be a pro on this, and if you really want to make good money on this, is, I know it sounds fun, you know, to not pay anything and try to make money online, but I have to be honest with you. If you are not creating an email list, because you are not capturing people's emails, you are not gonna be making as much money as you deserve. It's gonna be like a hit and miss scenario. Okay, the other thing is that there are gonna be people who are gonna buy one product for you, maybe a low-end ticket product, I don't know, a $7 product, a $10 product, but because you don't have them on your email list, you are not gonna be able to keep suggesting them another products or services that they might be interested in purchasing in the future. So you need to have a capture page. Okay, you do not need to be a programmer or a designer. I actually do mine with Builderall. They do have great templates. It's a really easy platform. It's a drag and drop platform, and they do have something that is called Mailing Bots, which is an email autoresponder. It's already included there, so you don't need to go with anything extra, and it's just $29.90 per month. They do also have a great affiliate program if you're interested, but the reason why I'm using is because the platform is great. I can create my blogs, I can create websites, I can create my landing pages or capture pages, even membership sites, and do the follow-ups via email, via Facebook chat bots. Okay, and that's the reason why I'm able to make money online consistently, on a consistently basis, because chances are that someone might be interested in the product that I'm promoting, but maybe they're on their cell phone right now, maybe they're on their way back from the work to their home, maybe they're, I don't know, at the supermarket waiting on the bank. You know, things happens. So if I capture their email address and I can start, you know, doing follow up with them sooner rather than later, they're gonna buy something. Why? First of all, people connect with people, and they're gonna start knowing a little bit about me. They're gonna start receiving messages from me. Maybe they're not gonna be interested in the very first product, maybe they're not gonna be interested on the second product that I'm gonna promote, but maybe they're gonna be interested on the third product that I have to promote. So this is how you actually make money online. So if you're really serious about this, this is what you need to do. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'd be more than happy to answer them. And I see you on the next video.